Versapak has been within the doping control industry for over 25 years. Our involvement in doping control began in the late 80s. At the time, we were a globally recognised Tamper Evidence manufacturer of packaging. We were requested to manufacture an anti-doping kit for a New Zealand event. Doping control is an integral part of the sporting industry. Athletes put their blood, sweat and tears into everything they do, and so the doping control process ensures that the athletes are playing on a level playing field at all times. We understand the importance of a kit being secure, but most importantly, Tamper Evidence, and it's something that we specialise in and have been for over 40 years. Versapak are proud to boast a number of major sporting events, including Summer and Winter Olympic Games, Paralympic Games, Rugby World Cups and European Championships. We continue to invest in state-of-the-art equipment and facilities, staying at the forefront of the anti-doping equipment supply.